What year did you come?
Oh, I come work for you 1982.
1982.
June 3.
June 3rd, 1982. And Jim had been there a year and a half by then because he started January 1st of 81. So, how long had you been in America then?
I've been in America. I came to United States February 27, 1981.
81.
So we had only been in the country about a year,
For
just over a year.
Yes. And then my husband looking for a job. I'm stay home to take care of my 2 daughters. And he come home, didn't have a job for him. He said, oh, they have a sewing here, you want to try? So my friend, he bring me to, and I walked in and I saw you too in office. So I'm gonna put application. And then a month later, I heard a phone call. And I come in and sew Kaas and all that. And Brenda told me, before me, 3 ladies, America, one of them didn't show up. One of them had something wrong with the car, and 3 of them didn't show up. And then it's me. So until now.
So you got.
Yeah.
You were an excellent worker, and we're so proud to have had you all these years. You're special.
Thank you very much. And you are so special that I want to stay here.
Wow.
Yeah.